And let the games begin. Go, Thunder, go!
Go, Jackie. Go, Jackie.
Ha! I'll beat you in a race any day. No, Jackie, no.
Jackie, come on, let's go.
Come on, Thunder. You're faster than this. I know you better. Ha ha ha. I will win this race. Nay! Nay!
Come on, Jackie.
Ugh!
Try to trip her.
No, don't try to trip me.
Jackie, throw a stick at her.
No, don't throw a stick at me either. I'm gonna win anyways. I'm way better.
Not true.
That is way true. Nay, nay, nay. Come on, Thunder.
Come on, Jackie, you're out on her tail.
You would never be on my tail.
Yes, because my horse is literally chewing on your tail.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
No one.
No one who?
Look behind you.
I don't want to. Thunder, we got this lap to go and then we're finished.
Come on. We're only on our second lap. Whee!
Come on, Thunder.
I know that you broke your foot, but it's okay because I broke mine too when you fell over.
Ha ha.
Haha, slowpoke.
And I win.
Oh no. I'm going to be in last place, aren't I?
So I definitely beat you guys a ton.
Hey,
Your horse is stupid.
My horse is not stupid.
Yes, it is.
You could have
Come on,
won. You gotta
Jackie.
just.
It doesn't count.
See you at the next race, ha.
My horse broke my...
Bye, Grace. Bye, Jess.
No, it didn't count. My horse broke its foot, and when it fell
Let's go to the
over,
stables.
it broke mine.
Yeah. How about you just come home with me? It's way
Hey,
better
Jess.
there.
What's he doing, Jess? Hey, I got a chest right here.
Good thing I'm back home. I'm going to go back to bed. Just walk upstairs. Go to sleep. Hi! Here, I'm coming over to your house. It's morning.
Better lock the door.
Why'd you lock the door?
No. Nobody can come into my house.
Well, I'm gonna go get practicing. 'Cause the race is today. Come on. We can do this, Thunder. We gotta practice.
Sean!
What?
Are you even practicing?
Yes, I'm practicing.
No, not for this. The race.
I am practicing for the race. I'm running around. So yeah, see you later. Come on, Thunder. Let's go take a big, long walk next to the beach.
Come on, Jackie. We need to go practice jumping over stuff. Go, Jackie, go. Hold on. We need to jump over these. Well, I guess you did it. Hold on, let's try jump the river. Okay. Back up. Well, I guess you did it. Let's try that one more time.
Jess, you're amazing at those jumps. You're gonna win this race now that your foot has not been broken.
Go! Go, Jackie. We can do this. I believe in you.
Oh no. jump those sticks when you're not even supposed to.
I'm pretty sure you can.
Oh, going.
There you go. Let's go.
Jess and me are gonna go climb a mountain.
Okay. I might want to go climb a mountain. Yeah. Let's go. Yeehaw.
Ah, that was a great walk, Thunder. Come on, let's go. The race is about to start. Come on, we can just cut through here. Yahoo! Whee!
Do.
Are you coming? Where are you? I hear him, but I don't see him. Let's just practice. I'm gonna wait for everybody to get ready for the race.
Wait, stop.
What?
I'm trying to catch up to you.
Wait, is the race today?
Yeah,
It's not until midnight. We have like 15 more minutes.
I'm getting ready. On your marks, get set, and go. Yeah! Go Thunder, go Thunder, go Thunder. No, Thunder, no. You can do this, Thunder. You can beat Jess.
Better, Jess.
Go, Jackie. Go, Jackie.
Jess, why'd you just stop? Now your hand.
Come on, Thunder. We can beat Jackie like we did last time.
Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm pretty sure that new training area made you good.
Jackie and Jess, good job. You guys were amazing.